100,000 federal employees found themselves furloughed, forced to stay home without pay, while another 700,000 were tasked with continuing their duties without immediate compensation. Many agencies, especially those reliant on discretionary funding, curtailed or suspended their operations entirely. Key organizations, such as the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, and the National Institutes of Health, NIH, faced significant interruptions, hindering their ability to function effectively in critical areas. While essential services such as the Transportation Security Administration, TSA, and air traffic control remained operational, the consequences were palpable. Staff shortages due to unpaid employees led to considerable delays and disruptions in flight schedules, causing frustration among travelers. The air travel system, already strained, faced new challenges as the lack of personnel and resources from a stretched thin workforce resulted in longer wait times and heightened stress for both staff and passengers. In the midst of these hardships lay a controversial debate surrounding the pay of furloughed workers. Traditionally, Congress would pass legislation ensuring retroactive pay for employees affected by government shutdowns. However, the Office of Management and Budget, OMB, under the current administration, contended that furloughed staff would not automatically be guaranteed back pay unless explicitly stated in new funding legislation. This deviation from established norms added to the anxiety felt by the federal workforce. Analysts sounded alarms, predicting immense financial losses for the U.S. economy, possibly reaching billions of dollars per week if the shutdown stretched on. Delay in crucial statistical and economic data releases, like inflation figures used for adjusting Social Security benefits, could exacerbate administrative bottlenecks. When the U.S. government shuts down, it sends ripples through the very fabric of global systems. The political deadlock in Washington reverberates far and wide, revealing just how interconnected our world truly is. Millions of American workers faced uncertainty, but beyond their darkened offices lay a chain reaction that surged into international markets, humanitarian efforts, and everyday lives across the globe. If one could visualize this dynamic, it would resemble a vast ocean where a single drop creates ripples reaching distant shores. The uncertainty and unpredictability rooted in the heart of American politics have a profound influence on nations that rely on its leadership. As the shutdown commenced, one could almost hear the collective intake of breath from global investors. The trembling of stock markets resonated like a quaking earth, sending shockwaves through economies.